Yeah.
What's up, my PlayStation Vita follower? It's me, PS Vita King. So make sure to support me on Patreon. Not only that, make sure to buy my PlayStation Vita t-shirt because you should join my PlayStation Vita army. PlayStation Vita is the best console of all time. There is no debate. If you are a lover like me, if you are a hardcore fan like me, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also let me know which PlayStation Vita do you own. Do you own a 1000, 2000, or are you waiting for a 3000? So here it is. Here I bought two games from a Russian seller from Russia with love. You know what, the best seller in the world are a Russian seller. They sell sometimes very cheap product. At the end of the day, even they ship fast. Up to right now, I didn't have any scam with Russian sellers, so my favorite sellers are Russian sellers, to be honest with you. Yes, they one of, I have like 2 times scam on some games from Spain. I literally will stop buying anything from Spain. Personally, I really like Russian seller, and then secondly UK seller, thirdly American. The problem with American seller is that they think that you are stupid idiot. They sometimes send you the PlayStation Vita used game, but the problem is that the case is broken, the cover art is literally damaged with water. And second problem with USA is the shipping problem, to rest of the world, like especially to Asia. The best shipping option is from like Russia and UK. They ship like by small mail, small packet mail, but when it comes to USA, it's horrible. To be honest with you, it's super expensive. So currently I'm in South Korea buying from USA. I will only buy from Amazon.com. Yes, I bought some games from Amazon. So here it is. I'm super excited, super happy for it. So here we go. Monkey Ball, Banana Split. The games are in English. So here is the Russian. If any Russian fan or subscriber or a viewer watching me, let me know, did you play these games or not, and then what prices of these games are selling in Russia. So I think I pay like total like 40 bucks. I don't know, I think this one I pay 15 bucks, this one I pay like 25 bucks, so it's like 14 bucks total. So this is the PlayStation Vita pads. I heard a lot of good thing and then bad thing at the same time. If you don't know, this is billion times better than the Nintendo pads. Yes, I played the Nintendo pads on my original Nintendo DS. But the problem with Nintendo, Nintendo docks is that, that one is docks. The problem with the Nintendo docks is that the game, it's just like, you do the same thing over again and again. It become boring. It's just like a simulation. But with this game, PlayStation Vita pads, I'm a huge fan of it. If you don't know, even I own my original PlayStation 2 Slim. I love the PlayStation pads. You can see the cover art here. I love that game a lot on my original PlayStation 2. My PlayStation 2 Slim. I love that game a lot. So if you don't know, PlayStation Vita pads is in like a simulation game, but with an adventure in it. Play when you're going, when you make your pet ready, you basically single dog. When your dog is ready for the adventure in the backyard, it feels like Legend of the Zelda. So this game is one of a unique game. This is one of the best hidden gem. I was looking for this game very hardly. Yes, you can download from a PlayStation store, but I want the physical copy. I'm really excited for this game, but the problem with this game is that this game uses entirely touch screen, so it's much better get some kind of stylus. It's really much better. I will be using my stylus. This stylus I will be using to play my PlayStation pad. I'm super excited for it. So here it is, and then this is the Monkey Ball. So everything is in Russian. Can you see? I really love Monkey Ball games a lot. I played on the PlayStation 2 and then on the Nintendo Wii, and then finally on my PlayStation Portable, the PSP. I really don't care about the language, whether it's English or Russian. I just care about I need a physical copy of the game. At the end of the day, the thing matter is that I can easily pop out the game. So make sure to subscribe. There are 3 more games which are still sealed. Currently I have 2 games nearby me entirely sealed. So I will be also doing the unboxing, gameplay and the review of this game. Make sure to click the subscribe button. It was me, your PlayStation Vita King. Make sure to support me on the Patreon. Support me, right? Support me. Bye. Also make sure to like my Facebook page. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.